Hello everyone. Welcome to our video tutorial on mastering SQL joins with practical examples. SQL joins are a fundamental concept in database management, and they allow you to join data from multiple tables. In this video, we will explore 5 types of joins: inner, left outer, right outer, full outer, and cross joins. We will use sample data to illustrate each join type to help you understand how they work in real-world scenarios. First, let's take a look at our sample data, which is connected to Bold BI from an Excel data source. To learn how to connect a new data source, refer to the link provided in this video's description. Consider employee_details as Table A. Table A contains information about individuals, including their names, ages, and roles. Consider department_details as Table B. Table B contains departments. We will use these tables to perform various SQL joins. Now, let's see some primary use cases where each of the joins is essential. We start with the inner join. An inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. Here's the sample SQL query for an inner join. Now, let's perform an inner join. I navigate to the Query Join dialog and choose the inner join option to be performed between these two tables, using the unique ID as the key to match the data. I click Update to see the result in the Data Preview section. The inner join only includes rows where there is a match in both Table A and Table B. In our example, it returns employees who belong to a department. Moving on to the left outer join. A left outer join returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. Here's the sample SQL query for a left outer join. Now, perform a left outer join. I navigate to the Query Join dialog, choose the left outer join option between these two tables, and use the unique ID as the key to match the data. I click Update to see the result in the Data Preview section. The left outer join includes all the rows from Table A and the matched rows from Table B. If there's no match in Table B, it shows null values for the department. Now, let's explore the right outer join. A right outer join returns all rows from the right table and the matched rows from the left table. Here's the sample SQL query for a right outer join. Now, let's perform a right outer join. I access the Query Join dialog, select the right outer join option between these two tables, and use the unique ID as the key to match the data. I click Update to see the result in the Data Preview section. This time, we see all the departments, and if there are employees in a department, their information is shown. Moving on to the full outer join. A full outer join returns all rows when there is a match in either table. Here's the sample SQL query for a full outer join. Now, let's execute a full outer join. I access the Query Join dialog, choose the full outer join option for these tables, and utilize the unique ID as the key for data matching. I click Update to see the result in the Data Preview section. We can see all the employees and departments, showing how they relate and whether there are any gaps. Finally, let's discuss the cross join. A cross join creates all possible combinations of rows from both tables. Here's the sample SQL query for a cross join. Now, let's perform a cross join. In the Query Join dialog, I select the cross join option between these two tables and click Update to see the result in the Data Preview section. This results in a much larger dataset, with every employee paired with every department. The cross-join creates every possible combination of rows from both tables, resulting in a large dataset with many rows. That's all there is to it. Now, let's take a closer look at a basic left outer join example with a real-time use case for a clearer understanding. Imagine, as a sales manager in a software company, you aim to track and optimize sales performance. You want to create a funnel chart to monitor the rates of website visitor to customer conversion. This chart helps evaluate sales strategies and enhance conversions at each stage of the customer journey. To prepare this chart, we use the following data: sales visitors, the number of site visitors in the sales process; sales leads, the number of leads generated in the sales process; sales opportunities, the number of opportunities created from leads; sales customers, the number of opportunities converted into customers; sales stages, the sequential phases in the sales process. In this Bold BI data source editor, we can perform join operations within the Query Joiner dialog. Here, a left outer join is used to build a relationship between these tables and convert them into a single table. We then use that join data to create the funnel chart. We can also switch to code view mode to visualize the left outer join query that we have used to relate all the tables. Finally, with these operations, we have achieved this funnel chart. The funnel chart showcases the conversion rates of website visitors to customers. Similarly, you can apply different types of joins in Bold BI based on their specific use cases. You've now learned about the 5 main types of SQL joins. Feel free to practice these joins in your database management system to solidify your knowledge. Thank you for watching our video on mastering SQL joins. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Until next time, happy querying!